Feasible region. The common region determined by all the constant including non-negative constant x, y is greater than 0 and of the linear programming problem is called feasible region or solution region of the problem. Every point of the region is called a feasible solution of the problem. The region OABC shaded is the feasible region of the problem. The region of the other than feasible region is called non-infeasible region. Feasible solution. Points within and on the boundary is called a feasible region. Represent feasible solution of the constants. Every point within and on the boundary of the feasible region OABC represent feasible solution of the problem. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे देखिए द पॉइंट 1050 इज अ feasible solution of the problem, so the point 060 and 20 etc. Any point outside the feasible region is called infeasible solution. Example, the point 2540 is an infeasible solution of the problem. Optimal feasible solution. Any point in the feasible region that gives the optimal value, maximum or minimum of the objective function is called optimal solution. Let R be the feasible region convex polygon for a linear programming problem, and let Z is equal to x plus by is the objective function where Z is an optimal value, maximum or minimum, where the variables x and y are subject to the constant described by linear inequalities. Their optimal value must occur at a corner point of the vertex of the feasible region. Let R be the feasible region of a linear programming problem, and let R is equal to Z is equal to x plus by be objective function. If R is bounded, then the objective function Z has both maximum and a minimum value of R. Each of these occurs at a corner point of the vertex of R. कॉर्नर पॉइंट क्या होता है? कॉर्नर पॉइंट ऑफ अ feasible region is a point in the region which is intersection of two boundary lines. रिमार्क देखते हैं. लेट आर बी द बाउंडेड अनबाउंडेड देन द मैक्सिमम और अ मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन मे नॉट एग्जिस्ट, हाउएवर इट इज एग्जिस्ट, इट मस्ट occur at the corner point of R. Let corner point vertex of the bounded feasible region are O, A, B and C 00, 20, 1050, 060 respectively. Z is equal to 50x plus 75y. वर्टेक्स ऑफ द feasible region ये है एंड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू z का ये है. We observed that the maximum profit of the dealer result from investment strategy 1050 में maximum है, that is buying 10 tables and 50 chair for open. Find boundaries of smallest and greater तभी मानेंगे जब feasible region ax plus by इक्वलिटी कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं होगा, और कॉमन आएगा तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी, और मिनिमम आएगा तो कॉमन नहीं आए तो मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो से हम मेथड्स देखते हैं.